Over the last 30 years, I have handled hundreds and hundreds of personal injury cases. The largest component of any personal injury case is the pain and suffering, and that is totally subjective. It is the biggest part of the damage, and it is what you go through in the healing process, in the suffering process, in the pain, and all of those types of injuries that are totally subjective and are in your mind and what you feel. How do you document something like that? Well, I can tell you, you don't document those types of damages by simply saying, I felt bad for 6 weeks. We have a pain and suffering diary that I created that helps you categorize those pains and issues, catalog them, and also define them. Those pages can be worth literally thousands or tens of thousands of dollars. Those pages of notes, taking that information down, and also during the entire healing process, in addition to noting how bad you felt, photographing the healing process, the bruises that originally might be red and then go to purple, then go to black, then hang around forever, and then finally start fading over days or weeks, the broken bones, the casts, the stitches, the scars. I mean, all of those types of things are extremely important to photograph once a day throughout the healing process. Once a day, every day, along with filling out that diary. I really encourage that. It doesn't take but a few moments in the day to do it. You can't recreate that later. You can't go back in time very well and recreate it. It's also extremely important not only to document all of those things in a standard way, and like I said, I have a wonderful PDF that is available for free. If you just reach out to me, I'll send it to you, whether I'm helping you or not, I'll get it to you. But if you will take just a few minutes to fill that out as soon to the beginning of the issue as you possibly can, going to be very, very helpful. Also, following up with your doctor's appointments, making sure to do everything the doctor tells you. There's nothing worse in a doctor's note to have non-compliance. If I see that word, that means my client is not doing their physical therapy, isn't following up and doing what the doctor has ordered, and that is not good at all. So please go to your doctor appointments, comply with the kind of requirements that they put upon you, note down all of the pain that you're going through, and that literally is, only slept 2 hours last night, twisted and turned, ached today, had to stop working at 3 p.m. I mean, you name it, making sure those things are noted down and making sure that the people who observed that pain and suffering, your work colleagues, your spouse, your children who could say, Grandma could not pick up her grandchildren this last Christmas, or when she did, this happened, she had to do that. All of those things are very, very helpful. And of course, they can help mount up the proof of those damages, which, like I said, are many times the largest portion of your damages in a personal injury case. It's up to you, but we're here to help. God bless. All the best.